Most entrepreneurs think digital marketing is about picking the right tools or copying the latest hack. But what if I told you the real secret to growth isn't tactics? It's how you think about your business from day one. Today, we're talking about the business first mindset, the foundation that separates businesses that scale from those that stall. You'll learn why strategy always beats tactics, how to map your customer journey, and the one question you must answer before you touch a single tool. But even with the right mindset, most businesses still waste 80% of their marketing budget. In the next video of this course, I'll show you how to avoid the number one money pit in digital marketing, so stick around. Hey, I'm Fran AI, the digital avatar of Fran Barbero, founder of OnlineMarketer.ai. Every script here is researched and written by Fran himself, with over 10 years of experience building audiences to several million followers, running e-com and info brands, and helping service businesses grow. I'm here to deliver it clearly and fast so you can actually use it. And before we dive in, if you want the exact tools, copy-paste prompts, and full training I use to run this channel and my business, join my free Smart AI Business Hub. It's our private community for entrepreneurs and business owners, packed with tested tools, practical tutorials, and a network of people growing in the AI era. Links in the description. Let's be honest, most business owners jump straight into tactics. Should I run Facebook ads? Should I post on TikTok? What's the best email tool? But here's the truth. If you don't know how your business actually makes money, every tactic is just a guess. That's why so many businesses end up overwhelmed, burned out, and broke. The real winners start with strategy. They ask, how do we turn attention into revenue? They map out their customer journey, understand their numbers, and build systems that work even when the next big platform changes the rules. I learned this the hard way. When I started, I chased every new tactic, Instagram, e-com, paid ads. But when my top page got shut down, my business crashed. I realized I didn't have a real system. That's when I started focusing on the fundamentals. Who is my ideal customer? What problem do I solve? How do I turn a stranger into a paying client, step by step? That shift changed everything. But here's the part most people miss. Your business model determines your entire marketing strategy. If you get this wrong, no amount of tactics will save you. Every business is different. An e-commerce store, a local service, a coach, an agency, they all have different paths to profit. If you don't know your numbers, you're flying blind. That's why so many businesses waste money on ads, content, or tools that don't actually move the needle. The key is to map your business model. Ask, what's my main offer? What's my average customer value? How do people find me? What steps do they take before buying? Where do I lose them? This isn't just theory, it's the roadmap for every decision you make. For example, if you're a service business, your model might be lead comes in, books a call, gets a proposal, becomes a client. If you're a coach, maybe it's follower sees your content, downloads a free guide, books a discovery call, joins your program. The point is, you need to know your numbers at each step. How many leads turn into calls? How many calls turn into clients? What's your average deal size? When you know this, you can spot bottlenecks, fix leaks, and double down on what works. But even with a mapped out model, most businesses still miss the most important piece, the customer journey. And that's where the real magic happens. Here's the thing, people don't go from never hearing about you to buying in one step. There's a journey, awareness, interest, consideration, decision, and loyalty. If you only focus on the last step, you're missing 97% of your market. The customer journey is the path someone takes from who are you to take my money. It's about building trust, answering questions, and removing friction at every stage. Let's break it down. At the top, you have people who don't even know they have a problem. Your job is to create content that makes them aware. Next, they realize they have a problem, but don't know the solution. You educate them. Then, they start looking for options. You show them why your approach is different. Finally, they're ready to buy. You make it easy, risk-free, and obvious. And after they buy, you turn them into raving fans who refer others. But here's the catch. Even with the perfect journey, most businesses still waste 80% of their marketing budget. Why? Because they focus on the wrong channels at the wrong time. In the next video, I'll show you how to avoid the number one money pit in digital marketing. Quick pause. Tired of juggling a dozen tools? I run my entire business on Go High Level. Website, funnels, CRM, email, SMS, booking, all in one place. No duct tape, no missed leads. Try it free for 30 days using my link below, and you'll get over $7,000 in bonuses, including my smart AI website training and private community access. Full disclosure, I'm an affiliate, so I may earn a commission if you sign up, but I only promote what I actually use. All the details are in the description. And don't forget, if you want the exact tools, prompts, and full training I use, join my free Smart AI Business Hub. It's our private community for entrepreneurs and business owners, packed with tested tools, practical tutorials, and a network of people growing in the AI era. Links in the description. So here's the big takeaway: strategy beats tactics every time. If you know your business model, map your customer journey, and focus on the fundamentals, you'll build a system that works no matter what platform is hot. Here's what to do next. Subscribe, like, and hype this video if you got value. It helps more entrepreneurs find this training and helps our channel grow. Join the free Smart AI Business Hub, link in the description. You'll get tools, prompts, and the full training series, plus access to our free masterclass for business owners who want to use AI to grow. And most importantly, don't miss the next video in this series, because even with the right mindset, most businesses still waste 80% of their marketing budget. In the next video, I'll show you how to avoid the number one money pit in digital marketing. Click the next video that's popping up on screen right now to keep learning and shortcut your growth in the AI era.